up a little bit too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, a few, like a week.
No, that's the one that bombed.
Maybe 20 feet lower.
You want to split it?
No, I already got it.
Well, we'll split in the end when we pay.
By lunch.
I'm going to cook you lunch.
Cook lunch.
What's up, everybody? It's Jeff, Ready, Set, Explore, and today I got another awesome fishing adventure for y'all. Today I'm with Steve. Say what's up, Steve. You know, the usual suspects. We're out here trying to catch us some fish. You know what? Beggars can't be choosers, so whatever we land, we're gonna keep. If we're able to land the fish, or if Steve's able to land the fish, I'm going to try to do a catch and cook right here in the middle of the water on the boat. And today on the menu is fish tacos, beer battered fish tacos. I'll be frying up some oil. Hopefully I won't burn down this boat in the middle of the water. We're gonna head out right now. We're gonna prep and definitely gonna catch some fish. All right, wish us luck. Peace. You already got some, dude? Oh my God, that was quick, dude. Woo! Dude, we got lunch, baby.
Told you.
Dude, it ain't but like, dude, it's like, oh,
Easy.
easy.
Get off the lip, baby.
All right, that's all right, that's all right.
Hey, did that wake you up now?
Damn, this is the spot. Hell yeah. Hey, come on, Trouty.
There it is. Come on. Invest. Invest.
Was that you pulling on?
No, it has the
Oh,
tail.
dude, it's got it. It's got it.
It has the tail.
Come on. You always wait. You always wait. Come on, Catch King.
I'm gonna pull around this one. It's swimming with it. Swimming with it.
Yeah, then take it already. Yeah? No, you didn't. Dude, you lost it because you hesitated. Yeah, how did we drift here again? I thought we were anchored.
Oh, that's juice right there. Juice spot. I got a little hit on my power. Just a little. Gotcha. Gotcha.
Nice, dude. Nice, get you some. Damn, dude, you on it today, aren't you? Woo! What'd you get? Oh, nice. Well, Dave. Hey.
I have to pull this because
Pull on your head.
I can't.
Ah! You now you're always attacking me. Got another, baby. Here, hold on.
Right.
Yeah, hold on, I got it. Oh, yeah.
My bad, dude. I
He's loose.
gotta get it
He's
off.
loose. Go.
I just gotta get
Oh,
it
you
off.
took your hook.
Sorry, dude. I just gotta get out the boat.
You son of a bitch. You attacked me with a trout.
You got trout blood all over you?
Trout attacked me.
Hey, your pole's bending right here. What's going on with your pole?
Oh, dude, did I get something? Yeah, I got something.
All right,
Go.
No, just go. Just let go.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. I got it. Another trout, baby. Let me see it. I got it. It flies off. Another baby trout. Here we go. There's plenty of them here. Good catch too. I got them on the treble hook.
You got him in trouble? Oh, they swallowed.
Hell yeah.
Swallowed. Catch him up, man.
Here, I gotta get this guy in the water ASAP. Him and his partner.
See?
We're gonna limit out today. All right, here we go. 3 trout in. Steve's got 2, I got 1. The race is on, baby. Let's do this. These trouts are really sensitive to being out of the water too long.
Fish.
Oh my goodness! Yes.
Is it?
Yeah. You don't even have to freaking set the hook with these bad boys.
Yeah, they just swallow.
GoPro, start recording. I am recording. Uh-oh. I think I just ruined my chances here.
I'm holding above your line, okay?
I lost it.
You lost it?
I lost it. Check that out, everyone. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a nice white line coming off the shore. That's all the trout milt that they're releasing. It looks like they're spawning and they're releasing, all the male trout are releasing the milt, and it's creating a trail right through here. I don't know how clearly you can see that, but it goes all the way around and back to that area with the brushes. So it looks like they're spawning. They may have laid some eggs here and the males are releasing their milt. So wow, I've never seen this before. That's what I'm assuming it is, but could be totally something else, but that's what it looks like. That's pretty awesome to check out. So that's nature doing its thing. All right, we're on land. Steve's getting into a bag of beef jerky. Can't wait for the catch and cook. Oh, woo! You think fish will eat beef jerky?
No.
Come on, man. What about that meat stick? That meat stick's pretty flavorful, man. Put a little bit on the end of it. We'll try later, babe. Give me a piece of that meat stick. Let me throw this one out, and I'm gonna throw a piece of meat stick on the other one. Man, the wind's picked up like crazy, dude. Oh my goodness. Slim Jim?
That's the meat stick.
Oh, the Tillamook's gone, right?
No, gone. I put in my bottle.
All right. Ooh. Oh yeah. She's fresh. I'm fishing in Castaic Lake. All right, so we're gonna apply a little bit of power bait on this hook and do my I don't want to put too much, but I'm gonna do my very best to encase this hook in power bait. Little chartreuse. Now I got one line in the water and I'm about to throw my other line in. Now I know it looks kind of crazy, it's a little long, but I've got it set up like a double dropper that I usually set up for deep sea fishing, but I got it set up like that. I got 2 power bait on. I got 1 orange and then the other chartreuse, and I've got this giant 1 ounce pyramid weight here. I think the current's a little too quick right now and it's pushing my weight across the floor, so I think if I go a little bigger, hopefully it'll stay put and dig into the sand, and these bad boys can just stay up floating. So all right, here we go. Let's see if I can even toss this bad boy out. You want to go that way, so. Oh, I lost my chartreuse. I just launched it out there. It looks like my chartreuse or the green pirate bait just flew off my hook. It's still got that orange one on, so let's just fish with that orange one on. Oh, shit. Oh, dude, where are the tortillas, man? Oh, I forgot the tortillas, brother.
Really?
Oh my god. Fish taco. We gotta have fish tacos, baby. We gotta have fish tacos. All right, we're gonna have to go to the market, dude. Drop me off at the dock, dude. We're gonna have to go to the market. Oh my god, I can't believe I forgot the tortillas. Let's go. Oh man, these tortillas look like they've been here for like 10 years. Let's do this. Got my tortillas. How am I gonna cook in this wind? All right, everyone, it's about 2 p.m. Steve and I are getting real hungry, so I think it's about time to do the catch and cook. We're gonna do fish tacos. Let's do this, guys. So dull. Cheese. We just finished our catch, clean, and cook. Made some fish tacos right here on this boat. Freshly caught trout with beer batter, with a little bit of guacamole, chipotle crema on a bed of cabbage. This is gonna be so good. It's gonna be so delicious. You ready to do this?
I am.
All right, dig in. I'm gonna grab a lime here. A little. Oh yeah.
That's great, dude.
All right, dude. Let's see if it tastes as good as it looks.
I'm excited.
Cheers, brother. It's a good day of fishing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nothing like fresh caught trout. Excuse me. That crunch in the cabbage, that lemon, that serrano pepper. The guacamole puts a little bit of heat on it. That chipotle crema right on top, off the hook. This is what life's made of. How is it?
It's amazing.
The trout is so tender, it's juicy, it's flaky, and it's not fishy at all. Very easy, very mild fish to eat. Woo! Are you gonna be able to put down 2 of these?
I'll put down 4.
All right, we're gonna finish up these tacos, get this food in our belly, clean up a little bit, and we're gonna head back out. If we catch anything else, we'll go ahead and toss it back into the lake. We're gonna finish these tacos up, let us clean up, and then we'll head back out there. See you guys in a minute. All right, everyone, we're all done here. It's about 4 o'clock. We got to get the boat back to the dock by 4:30. Otherwise, they're going to charge us. So we're going to clean up, we're going to pack our stuff, and then we're going to head out and head back to the dock. Had a wonderful day today. We caught those 3 fish early in the morning. Unfortunately, after that, kind of dried up, and we weren't able to catch anything, but still had lots of fun. Was able to do that catch and cook for everybody. These tacos were so delicious. I had fun doing that for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that as well. But all done. Let's pack it up, and I'll see you guys back at the dock. Peace. All right, everyone. I'm sorry about this, but at this point, the wind started kicking up so much that all you could hear was the wind noise through the mic. You know, all in all, we had a great day of fishing. Steve caught that first trout moments of us anchoring. He caught a second one, and I ended up only catching that 1 fish. Still, I had a blast being out there. I hope everyone enjoyed those trout fish tacos that I made. I certainly did, and I would definitely recommend everyone out there to give it a try. It's absolutely delicious. You know, you can tell already, fishing is actually one of my favorite things to do. I've only been doing it seriously for about 1.5 years now, but I'm seriously addicted. You know, I'm new to this whole YouTube thing, so I'm still trying to figure out what viewers enjoy watching. You know, unfortunately, with these unprecedented times in regards to COVID-19, like many out there, my adventures have currently been sidelined. But, you know, rest assured, I'm already thinking about my next adventure. And it's probably going to be another fishing related one since, you know, I've been really itching to get my lines wet again. So, you know, anyways, I had a blast. I hope you had a blast watching my content. If you enjoyed, or even if you didn't, please hit that like button and subscribe, please. And never forget, there's always an adventure just around the corner. Stay safe, everyone. Peace out. It's not bad. The batter came out pretty crispy, huh? Here, you take the wood, I'll take the plate then. There you go. Yeah, this trout was kicking several hours ago. Now it's battered with a beer batter, deep fried, and smothered in guacamole. I got this like whole thing going on right here. Woo! Nah, you doing all right, dude.
You want fish tacos? We got fish tacos.
You better have it. Yeah, we better have it, brother.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. So we come for TV.
Break up the TV.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, for a moment, dude. We got
What's up, dude?